Millsap on the drive mula sa kaliwa. Takes the shot. Pasok yan. Chance for a three-point play. And you see the bench, erupting on that shot.
Tsaka pansinin mo yung tira ni Millsap. Hindi na siya nagmamadali. Hindi siya masyado nagigigil. See right here, there was contact, but his focus was still right there. Maganda yung pagkakalobo niya.
On that shot, good defense. Resistance mula sa Petron. Cabagnot. Nice feed from Ronald Tubid. And Cabagnot.
Balik na on sa kanilang bench.
Sabi ni Cabagnot, I can do it. Again, going on a tear. Just hit a reverse layup. Tapos, press naman.
Pero not in this game so far. Kahit pa-depensa na si Junmar, nakakatulong naman with guys like Elijah Millsap hitting that three.
And this game could be getting out of hand. Tingnan natin kung anong sagot ng rain or shine. Great basket. Claim the ball. Eto si Millsap. He'll challenge. Kick it over to Cabagnot. Open for three.
Give that to Millsap.
0 partner para umpisa ng third quarter.
Well, napaka-bilis talaga ng pangyayari dito in the third quarter. But yung
Arwin jumper. Off the glass. Wala. Millsap. Put back.
This is a big turnaround dito for Petron. Grabe yung ginagawa nila. They're moving the ball where they're basically dictating everything here in the third.
Thought that shot was going in. It missed. Millsap. Got it. Pinaganda pa.
Nga na itong rain or shine hindi ganun kagaling sa 3-point range. Pero si Millsap is actually on a tear right now. But Charlie
has to go on the shot clock. Millsap on the run. And he shakes off the defense para sa isang madaling layup. Shot. Well, good attack immediately. Sa kabilang panig naman, as you see Millsap with that easy two-step. Sabi mo nga, ni Corres. Cabagnot. All the way to the basket. So, wala yung help defense.
Rain or shine na nakascore na daw ng 25 puntos ng third quarter pa lamang. Charlie?
Well, that's one way to go.
telling them to really give it to AZ Reed because he has the hot hand right now.
Lassiter. Hot hand nga ba? Hot hand nga ba pinag-uusapan mo, partner?
Pangontra pa rin.
Yung kick out kanina kay Marcio sa kanan, Eric, and what a timely jumper para sa Petron Blaze, make that 2.
Yeah, back-to-back jumpers doon by itong si Lassiter.
Incredible. 27 feet from the basket, takes that jumper! Oh! Alex pa rin. Tumanggap dyan sa loob and he hit it. This is the shot of Cabagnot. Look how far he was from the stripe.
And the full extension of the shot, Charlie, he really had to take it because
turn it over to Riza Diaz once again.
Charlie, Coach Yen Yao is looking to capitalize.
Pero ngayon, nakikita mo siya talaga. He's on a roll. He's doing the right things. Why not go to the guy?
lalo na wala si Elijah Millsap. Wala nga si Elijah Millsap, but a while ago, Lassiter hits a jump shot. Ngayon naman, Junmar Fajardo powering himself up under the basket, plus a foul from Tinyahan.
Perfect description ng sinabi mo, partner. Powering his way to the basket. Yan, may pick mula kay Doug Raymond. Pagsak si Aranya. Cabagnot for the 3. It goes! Tinabahan pa!
It's Cabagnot and Lassiter. Even in the first half, sila talaga ang complement ni Elijah Millsap.
So you don't need 3, 4, 5, 6 guys trying to complement your import. If 2 of them can score this well,
More than enough.
20
more
plus.
than enough already. These 2 guys, meron kick out.
Inside to Junmar, deep under the basket, and Pat Kramer cleaning it up.
Of course, this guy, with Millsap, taking those jumpers and making it. Fajardo with that call-up, and even Cabagnot and Lassiter providing the shooting from the outside.
Except what's happening already right now. How has it changed? What have you seen Yen Yao since that time?
Well, maganda kay coach, of course.
Denok Miranda, eager to get some points on the board. Bounces in para kay Denok. When he was under Coach Yen Yao in the past.
Oh, nice showtime move right there by Arwin Santos.
Well, that just
meron pa siyang exclamation point.
Yun ang sasabihin ko. Talagang yun na yun. Conference Philippine Cup, just somehow not having a good season. Into the second, look better, but then things happen. Their import